I am back on day later. Got the place primed and painted and textured and trim and such. Had to put in this baseboard here, crown molding along here and here. That's the old stuff, that's the new stuff. That's why it looks a little different. This wall here needs to be re-primed and painted as the old color from the plywood, or not plywood, but the paneling is coming back through. And then I am putting in some baseboard trim in this laundry room. That's done. As you can see, there's my texture and how pretty that came out. And I will talk to you in a bit about the remainder, about how this looks. In another couple hours I'll be pulling everything off.